Have you ever started a project but went scrolling on social media, watching Netflix for hours upon hours, and ended up doing absolutely nothing by the end of the day? Then this same pattern occurs in the same way the next day and the one afterwards, feeling like you're running in circles. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. What if I told you that there's a simple, practical approach that can completely transform the way you live your life? A mindset that could help you break free from old habits, take control of your future, and finally start creating the life you've always dreamed of. In this video, I'm going to share a powerful strategy that has helped countless individuals achieve incredible personal growth. It's not a complicated system or a secret formula reserved for the privileged few. It's something you can start applying today. The best part? Most people have never even considered this approach, but those who have are living proof of its transformative potential. If you're ready to take control of your life, drop a comment below with the phrase, "I'm ready to transform myself." Don't forget to like this video, a small action that helps spread this message to others who might need it, and subscribe to this channel for more actionable advice that can guide you to your best self. By the end of this video, you'll know the one habit that separates achievers from dreamers, the key to unlocking your true potential. So take a deep breath and let's get started. Your journey to becoming the best version of yourself begins right here, right now. One of the most underestimated principles of self-improvement is consistency. It's easy to get motivated for a day or even a week, but lasting transformation comes from showing up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Think of consistency as the foundation of a house. Without a strong foundation, no matter how beautiful the structure above it might be, it will eventually crumble. The same goes for your life. Building your dream life isn't about making grand gestures. It's about making small, consistent efforts over time. For example, if you want to improve your health, start with something simple, like drinking more water or walking for 10 minutes a day. These actions may seem insignificant on their own, but compounded over weeks and months, they can lead to extraordinary results. To stay consistent, focus on progress, not perfection. Missing a day doesn't mean you've failed. It's just a reminder to get back on track. And always celebrate your small wins, because each step forward is a step closer to your goals. Big goals can be overwhelming. That's why breaking them down into micro habits is one of the smartest strategies for long-term success. Micro habits are small, manageable actions that align with your larger aspirations. For instance, if you want to become more productive, don't start by trying to overhaul your entire schedule. Instead, create a micro habit like spending the first 5 minutes of your day planning your top 3 priorities. Over time, this small habit will compound, making you more organized and focused. The key to successful micro habits is to anchor them to existing routines. If you're trying to read more, commit to reading 1 page every night before you sleep. If you're working on fitness, do 5 push-ups right after brushing your teeth. These small actions might seem trivial, but they build momentum and make larger goals feel more achievable. Remember, success doesn't come from occasional bursts of effort. It comes from small, consistent actions that become second nature. To fix your life, you need to understand where you're starting from. Self-awareness is the ability to recognize your habits, emotions, and thought patterns. It's about identifying what's working in your life. One way to cultivate self-awareness is through reflection. Spend a few minutes each day journaling about your thoughts and experiences. Ask yourself questions like, what am I proud of today? What could I have done better? What's one thing I'm grateful for? Self-awareness also involves understanding your triggers and limiting beliefs. Are there patterns in your life that hold you back? Maybe it's procrastination, self-doubt, or fear of failure. Once you're aware of these barriers, you can start to address and overcome them. One of the most empowering shifts you can make is adopting a growth mindset. This means believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Instead of saying, "I'm not good at this," say, "I'm not good at this yet." This simple change in language reminds you that your potential is limitless. For example, if you struggle with learning a new skill, don't focus on how far you have to go. Focus on how much you've already improved. Celebrate every bit of progress, no matter how small. When you embrace the growth mindset, failure becomes a stepping stone rather than a roadblock. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. Life is full of challenges, but resilience is what helps you bounce back stronger. Resilience is about maintaining a positive outlook and adapting to setbacks rather than letting them define you. To build resilience, focus on what you can control. You can't change every circumstance, but you can change how you respond to it. Develop coping mechanisms like mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing to stay grounded during tough times. Another powerful tool is reframing your thoughts. Instead of thinking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask yourself, "What can I learn from this?" Shifting your perspective can turn even the hardest situations into opportunities for growth. Gratitude is one of the simplest yet most transformative habits you can adopt. It shifts your focus from what's lacking in your life to what's already abundant. Start a gratitude practice by writing down 3 things you're thankful for each day. They don't have to be big. Even small joys like a sunny day or a kind word from a friend count. Gratitude not only improves your mental health, but also strengthens your relationships and overall well-being. When you focus on the good, you'll start to attract more positivity into your life. Without clear goals, it's easy to feel lost or aimless. Start by defining what you want to achieve in specific, measurable terms. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," say, "I want to exercise 3 times a week and eat vegetables with every meal." Break your goals into smaller milestones and track your progress regularly. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small, and adjust your plan as needed. Having clear goals gives your life direction and purpose. It's like having a roadmap to guide you toward your dreams. The people you spend time with have a huge impact on your mindset and motivation. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire you, support your growth, and push you to be better. If your current circle isn't aligned with your goals, seek out new connections, join communities, attend events, or participate in online groups where like-minded people gather. Remember, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Congratulations! By staying with me until the end, you've taken a powerful step toward transforming your life. Most people don't even make it this far, and the fact that you did speaks volumes about your commitment to self-growth. Now I want you to comment below with the phrase, "I'm ready to take control of my future." Let this be your declaration to the world that you're serious about change. Imagine how many lives we could change together if everyone watching this video shared it with just one person. Take a moment to share this video and be a source of inspiration for someone who might need it. If you're not already subscribed, think of this channel as your weekly appointment with the best version of yourself. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another opportunity to grow and thrive. Before you go, take a deep breath. Reflect on everything you've learned today and visualize how you're going to apply these strategies to your life. This is just the beginning. Today you've taken a step closer to your potential. Don't stop now. Keep going. Your best life is waiting. Go out there and claim it.